In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reusable link in Dropbox Sign. By the end, you'll have a shareable link that anyone can use to sign the same document again and again without you having to send individual requests each time. First, open your browser and search for Dropbox Sign. This is the e-signature product from Dropbox. When the results load, click the official Dropbox Sign link. If you want to double-check you're in the right place, look for the Dropbox domain before logging in. Once you're on the site, log into your account. Use the same credentials you normally use for Dropbox or Dropbox Sign. If you see a two-step verification prompt, complete it so you can continue securely. After you're in, go to the Templates area. You'll find templates in the main navigation. This section is where you create and manage reusable signing experiences, so you don't have to rebuild fields every time. In the upper right corner, locate the Create Template button. Click the small arrow next to it, then choose Create Template Link. This option is important because a template link generates a reusable signing URL that you can share broadly instead of sending a one-off request to a specific person. Next, upload the file you want to make reusable. You can drag and drop it into the window or select it from your computer or a connected cloud drive. PDFs work great, and common document formats are supported. For best results, upload the final version of your document so you don't have to update the link later. You'll now be asked to add a single role name. Enter something generic, like participant or signer. This describes who will sign the document each time the link is used. Because this is a template link, it should have one role that any signer can fill. Click Next to continue. You're now in the editor. From the sidebar, drag and drop the fields you need onto the document, such as signature, date, and text fields. Place them exactly where the signer should act. You can resize fields, mark them as required, and add helper text so signers know what to enter. Take a moment here to verify everything is aligned and nothing overlaps. When you're satisfied, click Next. Give your template a clear title so you can recognize it later, then click Save Template Link. Dropbox Sign will generate your reusable link, ready to share wherever you need people to sign. That's it. Your reusable link is created and good to go.